Hey everyone, are you looking for fixing of cloud activation lock links on any iPhone device or locked phones? Yes, you are on the right channels. Hi, this is a technology welfare and I will show you a step by step with real demonstrations how to fix it without doing a jailbreaks at your home. Yes, with the help of PC or laptops. Whatever tools we will use that are absolutely free, so you can pick from the description box and directly you can fix these kind of issues. But don't worry, what happens guys, firstly let's access by using iTunes. It will tell you everything, so that what's the reason behind that it has stack on a cloud activation. Sometimes when we enter the multiple times wrong screen passcode, due to that, especially advanced security, if it is enabled, then it's erased and everything and a stack on a cloud activation. Sometimes you are not a genuine owner, of course, you have to purchase a second-hand device, or sometimes maybe your device is a blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode. In each situation, you will have to apply simple and similar strategy that I will demonstrate here. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial. What's the thing that especially iTunes guys here, it's the thing that this device is a link to an Apple ID, and of course enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this way. We don't know what's the actual ID behind it. So what we can further directly, we will cut it from here. And first step, that check it out by special iTunes, give the configuration in a cloud database of DNS and of course Apple database. If it's the things and these kind of the issues, otherwise sometimes due to server error, of course automatically it will open when you connect with iTunes guys, because as we know that this is a iDevice mobile management tool that has been itself especially Apple developed. So now we will open a Blob Saver. Why? We will try to reaccumulate whatever the data is inside on this device, or maybe in a cloud data and the Apple database, that we will reaccumulate on itself on this device. So how it is, just we will go for edit, and when we will click on edit, then we will include the betas, and here we will click specify API announce. We will have to select this one and read it. So it's the thing, so multiple times your device can be rebooted, no problem at all. We will have to wait and watch till it's not going to succeed. Let's see step by step we will do. So all the tools and driver, of course I will give you links below the description box, or you can go in its official website. It's easily available, you can pick and you can have. So now iTunes is, just let me close here. So it's a things API announce, not the frozen. So don't worry, yes, we will not do anything so till it's not going to special highlights in these finish options. So we will have to wait here. So fines now 3U2 adds a sanction that invalid. Fines, no problem at all. Once again we will close it, and once again we will try to put these ones. So let's see, because sometimes due to old especially iPhones or iOS, or if anyone who kept especially at his home last 2 to 3 years or 1 years locked device, then sometimes it happens guys, no problem at all. This especially the came at myself so at the morning times, especially today, and right now I'm the fixing, especially with demonstration. So still it is readings, no problem at all. We'll wait here till it's not going. Now see, still it's not frozen, so we'll have to get it successfully to froze it. Still especially having the little bit problem. So yeah, now it's once again getting the recovery. Let me especially here to close this one. Still it is especially I'm going into the recovery. So multiple times this can be. So don't worry, don't upset, do it blindly step by step here. And I will assure you, yes, that this device, without touching on this device, of course we will directly transfer the new Apple ID with password, or we will create a new Apple ID, also we will have opportunity. So now finally go to especially API announce. So this is my motive too, especially successfully we will have to go to it. Then all the data, whatever it was, especially that has been accumulated, especially on here, and got successfully. So just now here, what we will do now, just we will go for close it, and thereupon still it's a essential locked owner. So second option that we will go for, especially in the crash analysis, we will go for the inside, check it out that yes, data has been accumulated here. So just we will go for clear. So more than 10 files I have, especially on the clears now. Now third options, of course, we will go for inside, just setting the language. We will go for especially zone. We will go for especially without. Now, once again, we will go for real-time logs, and let's clear it at least 20 times, guys. So now see here, maybe especially this array or the particular ID has been linked with the Safari browser also. That's why I'm trying to show the clear here. At least 20 times, so we will have to clear it. So just I'm trying to now let it close that we have completed by that. Now this is a third tool that we will have to apply here. Why we will use these things? Yes, whatever the retaining data inside in the cloud database, of course we will clear on this particular from this device, guys, here. So just we'll go for trial mode 2, especially we can see we will close, especially we'll go for especially cancel, and we will hit this ones, and let me this one here. Here we will go for especially show device console, click on here, and we will go for clear. So now yes, I'm trying to clear it less, especially I'm the 20 times fans. So now that we can see here all the data is especially it's a thing that linked here still. So we will let's have the refresh so that the fresh data especially I'm the comes, and of course we will clear it least 20 times, so we will have to apply it, guys. This is especially a little bit you will have to devote 20 minutes, but by free of course all the tools you can yes get it from its official website, no problem at all. This will be a latest versions now and fully functional. Otherwise if you are unable to, then of course I will give you a Google Drive links, no problem at all. So now see here, almost here is options, and that is REC mode, of course, so that we can hear this ones. And now still it is asking, so no problem at all, we will come on here, keep clearing, guys. So almost it has cleared. So just we will close this, and now we have to work on a 3U tool. So 3U tool, let me keep it here so that we will be more visuals. Now iTunes is especially saying that it has especially here. Now see what we will do, just we will close it, and we will come on a SPSLAM 3U tool to a smart flash, or we can come on a SPSLAM iDevice directly. We will come on a flash options, we'll go for here, and let me delete especially because two more devices I have to, one more device actually I unlocked, and two more today. So right now here retaining data, quick flash and anti-flash. So here see we can, here is options in the beta version out of them, so you can pick it, or otherwise of course tap on a firmware to, we can see here out of the three, that is a yellow cream, yellow colors, you can download directly from here. And after downloading we'll come on easy flash to directly we can here. After downloading directly we will select the especially quick flash mode, and we will go for, but right now we will prefer to import because it will take the much more time. So here directly we will import because we have already downloaded in a download options, so that we can see here. So latest beta version that 26.2, so 26.2, that is a similar of this ones, and 44b fines, we will select this one, we will go for here this one, and here please don't select fixed battery also doing the flash, and here this one, and see the magically within a especially 5 to 10 minutes it will take. So here this device can be restarted multiple times. When I was using the Blob Saver, there also multiple times it was restarted, but right now here also especially we will have to, so we will have to wait, watch carefully till the end of this tutorial. Yes, because if any other issue will come on here, then definitely we will try to fix it also, because as we know that we are aware of it, multiple different especially the different devices has a different specific issues, and there are the more than especially 200 issues can be especially rendered or occurs on especially on any iPhone so device. So that's why I'm saying, you guys, don't skip ahead till, because extra information if you would like to get, if you would like to the veteran for the fixing all the iOS issues, then of course don't skip ahead. Yes, every step is going to be a very informative for you. Now almost the 40% we have completed, so within 20 minutes of course we will fix almost, don't worry. See, we are waiting now. Yes, we have the completed 10 minute more we need, and more than especially 50% is we have completed. Look at on the physicals. This device I came to myself. I have already mentioned to you at the morning times to the fix that. Now, right now, to be demonstrations live, especially each second I am auditable to you guys in front of you. So, yes, watch carefully. I'm not going to miss you or misguide any step further, or especially in this tutorial. So if you would like to be a veteran for fixing of the iOS issues, then don't forget to subscribe and like and share of this content, because this channel is especially for you, and this channel will guide you to be expert to fix the all kind of the issues related to especially information technology, especially related to with reference to iPhones, yes, MacBooks, and yes, Android or Gmail related. So let's see what's going to happen here. Don't do extra anything, so just we will have to wait and watch, because this is a technical things, especially when you are doing travel shoot, or you are traveling shooting of that, then yes, we will have to especially come and relax. Where do these things with help of PC or laptop, there should be no any movement, guys. Yes, this is very crucial things that I'm telling you. Now almost the see on especially 80% is we have completed. Further we will see two three precautions let you inform you guys while especially this is processing. See, one thing is that data cable should be always good quality. Second things, there should be second internet connection. If a little bit disturbance in the internet or configuration problem in DNS of especially Apple database, then you will have to change the immediately internet connections, because if you don't change within 1 minute, then yes, 3U2 will give you error, and your device, particularly this, will stack on Apple logo. So in that condition, you know that no one tools and driver will be especially detectable or functional on particular this device. So manually you will have to reboot, yes, put into the DFU, then all the driver or tools iDevice management drivers will be detectable. How? We will put in this one. When it frees on Apple logo, then up volumes, leave it, down volumes, leave it. Keep holding this share button till it's not exit from or defreeze from, especially Apple logo. Just to check it out. Of course, I have uploaded this kind of the situation problem, especially that I face on, especially I mean some of the iPhones. So let's see now. Right now I'm the waiting. Almost especially 14 minutes we have spent, and they still we are on a especially 62%. But this is a rounding. This can be seen in a descending order or ascending order also. Why? Because when it will push restart the multiple times, guys, in that condition. So, and firmware try to download before proceeding of this thing. So why I'm saying you, because firmware is the total size approximately 9 GB, so it will take time to download also. And this can be applicable on any operating system, either you have a Windows, MacBooks, or of course Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows especially 8.1 or 7. This can be applicable, no problem at all. Almost the 14 minutes we spent, still I couldn't got in the result, but I assure you that 2-3 crucial steps, very informative informations that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial, so that device, yes, automatically will be unlocked completely, especially that is very essential to show you guys. So please maintain the consistency, don't lose your patience. Of course, here watch till the end of this, and I assure you this video guide you to be expert to fix the all kind of the iOS issues spontaneously. Either it is a blacklisted mode, a stolen mode, lost mode, or is time screen passcode locks, or a screen passcode, iDevice management locked, or manager password locks, and any kind of some especially other issues. This can be of course easily fixed by a simple strategy that I yes giving you right now. And whenever any confusion query, then blindly drop the query in the comments box, and the pleasure will be mine to reply your query. And sometimes your comments is also beyond of me, or my communication is also beyond of you, then directly you can email on, especially that is official of this channel, no problem at all, with the screenshot of issues of your device, guys, because this is very crucial that directly we will get it, that what kind of the challenges you are facing on the particular device. Now see here, congratulations, clean flash has been completed. So within a 20 second we will have to execute when it will be highlighted. Why it's essential to execute? Because of it will escape so all the space lamp setting of the region, language, Wi-Fi, location, face ID, touch ID. Yes, um, all kind of say especially those things we will skip, and directly we will go for the inside of it. So this is very crucial step that we will have to execute. So I'm the waiting here, it has initiated here to come back. So now it has highlighted, we'll come on here and we will select all, and let's see if any error will occur here. Then we will try to of course fix it by changing the internet connection of your PC. If sometimes it occurs error, in the rarest of the rare case, however error occurs, then we will use to, of course, we will use precise locations, or we will customize the precise location of sales area of this device. So what will be a sales area? How would I know? How would you find out the sales area of particular any of iPhones? That video I will give you links in the description box. You can watch it easily. You can with the help of EMI number or serial number of any iPhones. We can find out. Now, suppose this phone belongs to a Hong Kong, then of course we will have to especially use the customized precise location of your PC or laptop. That would be a Hong Kong, so that yes, in DNS configuration will be especially yes quietly acceptable, so that there will be no chances to have any error here, guys. But sometimes otherwise we have already fixed by a Blob Saver everything's, one time it was not fixed, that, and you have seen the second time Blob Saver also functional and successfully got happy announced. Now see here, activated and escape. So what you see, guys, here, this has been completely done. We have to confirm by using this especially deactivation. So select all, we will go for a start, and it's asking that you will have to give a 10-second, guys. So let's count a 10-second, and thereupon of course we'll go for it. So I'm waiting here. Now see, this is of course a deactivation has been now successfully, everything's done, guys, and there's no chances that now this device is locked to owner. So let's give a configuration, let's give a good DNS configuration in a cloud data and Apple data, and after assessing a data, what's the saying the phone especially here on this iTunes. If iTunes cleared, then everything will be of course in this device completely. I hope so that it has been, or especially hope that it will be a completely unlocked. Yes, it's welcoming, guys. So what you see here, there is no chances that there is any kind of special locked on it. Now, as we see the further on this device, that if the SIM card is not going to valid sometimes, because this phone belongs to us, especially UK, and I have fixed this issues in Hong Kong, so then how do you fix this, especially local networks on a especially particular SIM that you have inserted on this device? We will see here, don't worry. Yes, it's asking again on a hello screen. Maybe especially we will go for Now here select zones it's asking. So fine, we will select a special limit zone of this device. So yes, we will have to here just to select the zone and thereupon we will see here. It's a setting language fines. Now here will be a two options that we will pick, and this see here, one is erase and they started, second is a continue with the partial setup. So just we will prefer to continue with the partial setup and system gone. What you say guys here? This device is no SIM card available. It's fine. Not at all. We will have two other problems that we will click on here. It's saying connect to the internet with the signed in device. Suppose I purchase one iPhone from the Apple Store. There is a required to activate of this device or not internet connections. Yes, it is mandatory, but here is not required. Now that we have, yes, we came the inside of this device now directly. So now that we can insert the SIM card. One thing is that I inform you, while you're doing everything, don't inserted SIM card. uh, this procedure can be proceed, otherwise you will have a problem. The SIM card especially directly will be invalid. So now see, all the security is disabled. So now what we will do guys, yeah, we can close it, no problem at all. Or now see, if this is a permitting here to other create, then you can, otherwise of course now it's welcome, then no problem at all. Just we will close it, and here is options on that virtual locations. Now this restore the true location is highlighted, and system will be rebooted and it will be restored on local networks, with local network in your local area where you are. Insert SIM card and SIM card will be fully functional. So guys, thanks for staying the till the end of this tutorials. How you likes, and don't forget to leave the feedbacks, and for any inquiry of course, blindly drop the query. It will be my pleasure to have your the query to reply. Now directly we came on a helper screen. So thank you once again for staying the tail end of this tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Welfare, and I will be back with a step-by-step new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. If you would like to be an expert related to iOS or of course Android or a smartphone or yes laptop PC, then please join these channels. Of course, I would make you expert. I will guide to you all the kind of issues to fix it. So thank you, and it will inspire me also to especially further make it such as informative tutorials. So thank you very much indeed. Bye bye.